Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel and another episode of Skincare Spotlight. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out savvynaturalisa.com for all your skincare needs. With that being said, today in Skincare Spotlight, we will be spotlighting Laneige's Lip Sleeping Mask. So this is one of my favorite lip sleeping masks of all times, and I seem to always go back to it. It's my holy grail of lip sleeping masks. I've tried a few, but this one is one that I really enjoy, so I thought we should spotlight it in Skincare Spotlight. With that being said, with this sleeping mask, I feel if you have dry, cracked, gritty lips, you live in a desert, your lips seem to always be dry, and you're looking for a moisturizer that's really heavy duty at night to hydrate your lips, that absorbs into the skin of your lips, then Laneige Sleeping Mask is what you are looking for. I noticed over the course of weeks, months, years of using Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask that when it goes on very thick like a butter, but it warms up with your body temperature to give you that moisture and hydration you need for your lips. I noticed that over time my lips have been less flaky. I've had less skin peeling off of my lips. You guys know how we get that little type of little skin layer that especially if you have dry lips like I do, you would notice you get like this little layer of skin that sort of starts to peel. And when it peels, it could create like a cut in your lip that is really painful. What I noticed after using this lip sleeping mask, that I no longer get that thick layer of skin that I'm always peeling. You know, some people tend to bite their lips, and a lot of time I've noticed that the reason why I will bite my lips is because of the skin peeling. So I don't know if you're a lip biter or you tend to be trying to get that skin off that's really irritating your lips, and it causes your lips to either get bleed, blister, or get red. You may want to try Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask to help with that help with the peeling of your lips. I noticed that this moisturizer actually for the lips actually absorbs into your lip skin. So some lip masks don't absorb. I noticed this one is very absorbing. It has a wonderful smell. It doesn't taste artificial at all. The scent doesn't linger. It's just a wonderful all natural lip sleeping mask. Because the consistency is just right and the texture is nice and cream, you will notice that it lasts all day. So I tend to use it at night, and then I tend to use it in the morning before I'm heading off. And I noticed when using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask that my lips in the desert have not dried out completely. So here in the desert, we get really bad winds, and I've had a lot of bad wind burns since moving here, and I never knew what the problem was, but I noticed after using Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask at night, I just wanted to see if it will work and help aid in my lips being affected with the wind burn. I don't know if many of you have seen my previous videos where I would get like blisters on my lip. A lot of that happened because of the wind burn. So I would just have really bad blisters just flaring up, and it had to do with the wind. So when we get really bad winds that are so bad, my lips start to crack, dry, they start to peel. So I started using this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask at night, and of course, you know, we can't stop Mother Nature. So with that being said, we still got winds, but I've noticed that I've not had those big blisters on my lips as much as I used to when I wasn't using this product. So I really think this product is amazing if you are looking to get your lips in the best health they have ever been in. If you are looking for that, I really think you should try Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. If you are looking for something a little more on the high end versus using lip balm. So for instance, if you are the type of person who prefers something a little more heavy duty at night and this is not for you, you can actually use it throughout the day. I mean, honestly, I have it on right now with some lip gloss, and the reason why I even like using it throughout the day, because it doesn't sit sit on your lips. So for me, I've noticed that lip balms tend to sit on the lips, and this one doesn't sit on the lips at all. It penetrates the lip and then it leaves like some sort of, I don't know if it's a wax barrier, but it's like a protective barrier on your lips that literally just, it just sits on your lips, and it's a protective barrier where you're not constantly putting on chapstick throughout the day. So for some of you who use chapsticks or lip balms, you know that feeling where they just sit on your lips and you have to keep reapplying. Not with the Laneige lip sleeping mask unless you like that little slip on your lips. But this, you don't need to apply but once a day, twice a day, maybe even 3 times a day. You know, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night, because it has that sort of protective barrier that sits on your lips. It feels sort of like wax. I don't know if it's wax or not, but I know that it feels sort of like wax, and it's protecting your lips where your lips are hydrated and you don't feel like, oh, my lips are so dry, let me put lip balm on it and lick my lips. Because I do that. I'm like, if I'm putting lip balm on and then after I put lip balm on, then I'm like, oh my god, my lips are dry again, let me lick my lips and then put the lip balm. It's crazy what I do. I know it sounds weird, but I'm that type of person that does that all the time. So if you're that type of person who is constantly putting lip balm on, you may want to try Laneige lip sleeping mask. And I know it says it's for sleeping, but I use it throughout the day, and trust me, I am not having to reapply lip balm. And reapplying lip balm at the end of the day can get really expensive, and I have tons of chapstick around here, and I'm not telling you not to buy chapstick, but if you're looking for something that will help hydrate your lips throughout the day where you're not having to reapply lip balm, you may want to try this lip sleeping mask. You guys know that no skincare product is 100% perfect, even though I'm going to give this product a 5 out of 5 because it is actually one of my favorite products. But with that being said, no product is perfect, so let's just nitpick the Laneige lip sleeping mask just for a little bit, because there are a few things I would like to say about it. The first thing is the scent. So the scent is light to me, but when I did first open the jar, it was very overpowering and I was really worried. And you know, I think that's a Laneige signature thing. When you open the jar, some of their products are just overbearing with a perfume scent or a fragrance scent, but once you put it on your face or you put it on your lips, the product, the scent doesn't linger. However, I will say if you are sensitive to fragrances or you are sensitive to scents, it may be just a bit overbearing to you, but it doesn't linger at all. It's a nice berry scent. They have other flavors, but I have the berry one, so I haven't tried the other flavors. I may try them in the future. I also want to say, because I use this at morning, noon, and night, I would like a SPF in it. I would like a SPF. With that being said, it is a lip sleeping mask. So, you know, if you're going throughout the day, you may want to add a SPF to your lips, because this is a lip sleeping mask. So if you live in a very sunny climate, you may not want to use this throughout the day. Even though I do recommend using the lip sleeping mask all day, it does have hyaluronic acid in it, so you may want to also use an SPF on your lips just because of the hyaluronic acid. So for instance, if you are going to put some of it on in the morning, what you can do is once it dries and it leaves that protective barrier over your lips, you can add your SPF lip balm. Hyaluronic acid is very sensitive to the sun, so it can cause your skin on your lips to become darker. You can cause sunburns on your lips, and you know, sometimes dark lips are from, you know, a lot of sun radiating into your lips, so you may want to use an SPF to protect them. And sometimes dark lips can be because of the sun, so you know, if you want your dark lips can also be because of dead skin on your lips. So, you know, if you want to protect your lips, get a lip scrub to help, you know, reveal the true color of your lips. And some people are naturally just born with dark lips. So whatever spectrum you fall on, if you want to keep your lips the color that they are, however, you want to stay out the sun with the lip sleeping mask, because it does have hyaluronic acid in it. And, you know, that's my little little nitpick there. I don't mind the hyaluronic acid. I'm just letting you guys know hyaluronic acid is very sensitive to the sun, so you need to protect your skin or your lips with some type of barrier. With that being said, this product is a really wonderful product. I am happy I found a lip sleeping mask that works for me. I like the fact that it's not greasy. You won't get it on your pillow. You won't, even when you lick your lips, because some people just naturally lick their lips, you can still feel the lip sleeping mask on your lips. So if you have an issue with always licking your lips, this lip sleeping mask is one of those masks that you don't have to worry about it coming off your lips as you're licking your lips, because once it dries onto your lips, there's a protective barrier protecting those beautiful, gorgeous, juicy lips of yours. With that being said, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Skincare Spotlight with Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It's one of my favorite lip sleeping masks. I've bought it on Amazon. I've bought it on Sephora. I've preferred to buy it on Amazon. I tried to buy it on eBay. I have a love and hate relationship with eBay and their products. It's just some of the sellers are just cheap and they just be sending stuff with, you know, that's here nor there. With that being said, I have bought it on Amazon and I have bought it on Sephora, and those are the places I recommend. I'm going to leave a link down below where I've gotten it this last time. I also want to say they do have a little applicator, so if you're worried about putting your hands in it, if someone else uses it with you, they have a little applicator to protect your, you know, the gunk you have on your hands, or you know, some people are very particular about that. So if you're that type of person who's very particular about using your hands in lip balm and you prefer to smear it with your you know, a tube, then they do have a little applicator where you could put it on your lips. I'm not that particular on that, so you know, I don't mind. With that being said, I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of Skincare Spotlight. I also want to say this about the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I do like the fact that there's, even though it has the berry scent, there's no artificial flavor or artificial taste to that, and that is amazing. With that being said, I really want to thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Skincare Spotlight. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.